There's a reason why you hear all the top influencers saying they purchase products now before reviewing them. All the platinum influencers, everyone making 4 digits a month, are buying products and not just only doing creator connections, requesting free samples. So, this is how I do product research now, and this website is completely free. They do have affiliate links, so I could pay for this service to provide it for you. Um, However, this is everything that it scans for and that the products get added. So it has to have at least 500 bought per month. Everything on the site is going to be 500 sales a month or more. I'm sorry, I put it on the influencer videos. 500 minimum a month, up until whatever the highest one may be. And everything has less than 7 influencer videos, so you can filter by 5, 7, any number under 7, and you can also choose your category here, and it'll change the products for you. Um, Something else you can filter by is on deal only. So we have pricing and deal pricing that will show up here, and it's active as of the scan time. So it is subject to change, but this all gets updated every 24 hours. So you can also filter by products that are on deal only. So you can buy cheaper products or discounted products for your reviews. Every single product has a creator connections campaign, and you can filter this by the best deal, the highest percent off. Sometimes sellers do list a product at a very high price. That's ridiculous for this little dog toy ball, $119, but it's 23 now. It was that price at one point. So you do get some of that if you sort by best deal, but it's only going to be a couple of them that are outrageously mispriced like that. You can filter by the most bought per month, fewest influencer videos, and the price, high to low, low to high. We'll go ahead and test this product here to see if it's profitable according to the calculator. This one has a 30% campaign, 3 videos, worth buying according to Viral Views calculator if you're in the top carousel, even if you're in the bottom carousel. So this is super easy to find those products that are good to review, to purchase and review. You can also filter by, like, say you wanted to review pool vacuums. So you could search here on the bar, and these are all the ones that are probably the best for reviewing pool vacuums. There's other pool vacuums all across Amazon, but they may not fit these filters, and you want to target these videos that have the lowest amount of competition. Air conditioner. So you could just search it there, or you can search by the brand in that search bar if you want to. But this is going to make your life so much easier on finding products to buy and review.